Hello everyone, myself Rahul Mengde. Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to write a simple C program to calculate the area and circumference of the circle. I have written the complete program to calculate area and circumference of the circle. You can observe on the screen. The program is started with two header files stdio.h, conio.h, because these two header files consist of some functions like clear screen, printf, scanf, getch, okay, etc. Then starting with main function void main, then r, area, circumference, these are floating point data type. So float data type is declared, then clear screen function is written because to clear the output screen, clear screen function is used. Then printf, to display, enter the value of radius of circle on the output screen. This printf function is used. Then to take the value and to store that value in float data type r, scanf function is used and %f is used because this r is float data type. Then to calculate the area and the circumference of the circle, we have two formulas. Area is equal to pi r square. So pi means 3.14, so area is equal to 3.14 into r, that means pi r square. By using this formula we can calculate the area. Then to calculate the circumference we have one formula 2 pi r, so 2 into 3.14 into r, that means 2 pi r. Then to display the calculated values we use printf function. So area of circle is %f and circumference of circle is %f, and then getch function and then closing of curly bracket. So getch function is used to hold the output screen, okay. Then compile the program. There are no warnings, no errors. Then run the program. Enter some value. You can enter any value. Then you can see area of circle is calculated and circumference of circle is calculated. You can observe the values on the screen. In this way we can calculate the area of the circle and circumference of the circle by using C language program. Thank you.